Today I have brought a new product for you, Polaris. This is by creator is Zono Armstrong, who is a successful marketer for last 5 years, and he's really making millions out of all the products he has sold. His products are all old products are still being sold as of now. Top earners, what they do, they market their money using landing page and money page. But if you don't do it rightly, you there is a chance you will lose money instead of making money. It is so simple, so profitable and easy. They filter your traffic, saving your time. They build your list with highly targeted subscriber for ongoing income and monetize new leads so you can profit instantly. Even if you have noticed, just few years back, these products used to cost very high, and now it is available just 49.99 for even three products you can buy. So there is a big difference. The brand name keep charging 97 to 297 per month, but here it is only one time payment. And this automatic funnel software, what it does, develop an automatic funnel software just as powerful as the big name. Proven 2 in 1 free viral traffic built-in platform. Polaris includes 20 DFY funnel from top converting products. As I told you, the catch that easier than making money is to losing money from funnels. Why? Because you keep struggling setting up funnels because of complicated nature. You can't get enough traffic and you can't find quality funnel product, so your traffic never converts. But if you have the right automatic funnel, then you can start making money from the day one. Cutting edge software, free viral traffic, and multiple DFY income streams. So you don't, one or other will keep making you money all the time. With Polaris, the ultimate automatic solution for anyone wanting passive online profit, next generation software combined with built-in viral traffic, DIY customizable funnel, let anybody create multiple income stream with very ease. There are 20 DIY funnel inside 10 niches. These niches are affiliate marketing, email marketing, general marketing, video marketing, dating and relationship, self-improvement, health, fitness and weight loss, CB, that is ClickBank funnel, and then top ClickBank funnel products. I- Inside this total you will find 20 DIY funnel which you can use. Why it is so easy? There is no paid traffic inside. There is Polaris traffic tutorials are there, training videos are there, and traffic tutorial videos are there. So you are not alone. You will get full guidance, and there will be uh, many webinar where and in case you have a problem, you can send a ticket and you will get immediate reply. Classes have high premium, high ticket funnel includes that high volume sales and how highest paid marketers stay on top. Well, lucky you, Polaris include both high ticket and top seller DIY funnel, which makes up to $2745 commission from a single sale, and just one include premium effect skyrocket your conversion with multiple top selling evergreen product on one of the world's most respected platform. Easiest way to bank from automatic funnel. DIY marketing resources, professional email sequence and banners are already included. Each include niche inside Polaris. You get professionally made marketing email and banners, perfect for cross promotion to your growing list and grabbing free viral traffic from social media. Is automatic list building. If you want, you can make your list. Even if you don't want, it will be available for you. The software integrates with any autoresponder. and Polaris in automatically saves every one of your leads in a file, so you can export anytime you want. Just your list is always available with you. And free smart automation. Polaris syncs each part of your funnel together perfectly. The DFY option are virtually unbreakable. You will never miss a lead or commission. Automation ensure new subscribers see your upgrade offer and get their product, and you get paid. Plus world-class training you are available. We are passionate about funnel and shows. In addition to over-the-shoulder training on the software, you also get in-depth strategy for maximize your result from day one. Steps are simple. Select any of the DIY funnel, quickly set up using included page templates, then connect auto approved affiliate link where it show you the included viral traffic, and then collect commission. Actually, no product comes anywhere close to this one which is being offered without pay, paying very high fees. At just a one time small fee, you get all these things, and there is an potential to earn 100 to $500 per day. Let us see what you are getting inside this Polaris. I am in the product itself. This is start training. This first is how you can create your funnel in just 120 seconds. Then there are the categories. Each categories have more than two different uh, niches, and you can use any one them, and of course you can use all these 20. There is absolutely no problem. Then all campaign details are there. Whatever you have done, all details you will find here. This is automatic and it is very dynamic. As things go, you will keep getting update in this category. Let us see the upgrades in this. This first one will cost you just $17, that basic product. Upgrade 1, where you get 40 complete done for you in addition to 20 which were provided in the basic fund, which will cost you $47. Then upgrade 2 is DIY campaign. This get across high ticket ClickBank product funnel, allowing them to bank high commission using Polaris. We have carefully picked these products based on their post history and latest conversion rates. Then this will cost you $97. Under upgrade 3 is high ticket DIY funnel and limitless traffic, which is very nice. It is Zono's own product, which is all already sold many times and which is still getting sold. These are lockdown formula, insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript commission, Vanquish, etc. So in addition, there are 6 more products available inside this upgrade 3, which will cost you $197. Then upgrade 4, if you want to use this reseller right, you get it for $197. This product comes with 30 days unconditional money back guarantee. If you really want your financial freedom, then go for this product. In case you find it is not working for you, just try it out. You will definitely make money. But in some unfortunate event, you just send them an email and you get your every penny back. So, friends, what are you waiting for? Just click the link below to get this awesome product and my awesome, equally awesome bonuses, and then you are good to go. Thank you.